Hey guys, let's talk about everything upload. This is how you upload a picture. Select upload and select your image. You're going to have automatic, select, erase, restore, and crop. I use crop and I use erase if I need to, and select is the biggest one. You have to come in and select. I'm sorry, it just happened. But I like to change my color tolerance to 100, and you have to click on everything that you want to have cut. This way, when you go and upload it fully onto Design Space, your cuts will be ready for you. Now, in this section, the R is going to be really hard to weed, so I just erased it. And again, I'm not doing this. It's not my project. I'm just showing you how to do it with this image. All right, once you have it ready, the top one you had to pay for, and I've never had to pay for anything in Cricut without using any of the free tools. So I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Single layer is what I'm going to select for this one because I just want it cut. I'm going to cut it on red vinyl, for example. And flat graphic is when you print on a printer and you cut with Cricut. So I'm saving it once I'm ready, and that's coming straight to Design Space. Here you can change the sizing, the color, you can add offsets, you can do so much with it. But for this example, we're just going to change the color. We're going to do a duplicate and change the color of that one, just in case you want to do a red shirt with white font or a white shirt with red font, whatever you want to do, right? But the other trip I like to share is if you can see the grid through it, it will cut through it. This is a good way to get started for you to understand what it's going to look like when it cuts. Once you're ready, you hit make, and it goes into your mats, and it sets it up for you. If you wanted to do one of each, it's ready. You cut one, and then you remove that one and put the red vinyl, for example, and you have that one cut. But you can also hit the little square on the left on the top, and then it'll take you to this screen where you can multiply it if you want to make 10 of them. If you want to make a shirt, you always put your mirror. If it's just regular, maybe permanent vinyl, you leave it as is. But something Cricut doesn't do very well is save you material. So it wants to put 2 on each sheet. And if you have a 12 by 12 sheet, you can definitely move this over by clicking those 3 dots on the left-hand side of your image. And what I do like also is that if you are working on moving them around and they're touching at any point, it'll go yellow. That way you know, hey, maybe shift it down or it won't fit there. And so as you see, this next one that I'm going to bring in, it's going to cover the image. So it wouldn't fit in either way, but you can still flip it. So that's the nice thing is you can make the changes that you need to maximize the space you're working with. Once you're ready, you hit next and you're able to start having Cricut cut. If you notice here, you can also move it to an existing mat, hide it, or move it to a brand new mat. Let's say that somebody said, well, I wanted it blue. Then you hit move object, click on that plus sign, and you're able to move it to a brand new mat, choosing the color. Again, the colors are just for you to get the visual and remember which one to use. The colors will be decided by what material you're cutting. So I hope this helps. And if you guys have more questions, please ask. I'm here to help you guys.